Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. 3 drinks that some studies suggest may help in the fight against cancer. While no beverage can cure cancer, the ingredients in these drinks are linked to potential health benefits. Let's discuss what they are and how they work. Let's start with our first drink. Our first drink is green tea. This age-old beverage is not just refreshing, but also packed with health benefits. Scientific background. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly a compound called EGCG. Studies have shown that it can inhibit the growth of various cancer cells, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. How to enjoy? Brewing a perfect cup of green tea is simple. Use about 1 teaspoon of loose leaves or 1 tea bag in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. For added flavor and health benefits, try squeezing in a slice of lemon. Next, we have beet juice. This vibrant drink is not only beautiful, but also incredibly nutritious. Scientific background. Beets are packed with nitrates and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Some research indicates that beet juice can slow the growth of cancer cells, particularly in prostate cancer. How to enjoy? To make beet juice, blend raw beets with apples and carrots for sweetness. Add a touch of ginger for an extra health kick. Don't forget to strain if you prefer a smoother texture. Finally, we have a turmeric latte, also known as golden milk. This drink has gained popularity for its myriad of health benefits. Scientific background. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Research suggests it may help kill cancer cells and prevent the spread of tumors in cancers like pancreatic and colorectal. How to enjoy? To prepare, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm almond or coconut milk. Sweeten with honey and add a dash of black pepper to boost absorption. Today, we've explored 3 drinks: green tea, beet juice, and turmeric latte that may offer health benefits in the fight against cancer. These beverages should complement a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your favorite health drinks in the comments. Thank you for watching, and cheers to your health!